In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in MailerLite, giving your email campaigns a fresh and appealing look. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to MailerLite, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First, let's head over to the MailerLite website. This is your go-to place for crafting engaging email marketing content. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to sign into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you can create one here, or for simplicity, you can log in with your Google account. Simply click on Sign in with Google to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the MailerLite dashboard. This is where all the action happens. To change the font in your email campaign, click on Campaigns from the menu. This will take you to a page listing all your current email campaigns. Here, locate the campaign you wish to modify. Once you find your campaign, click on Edit to start making changes. Now that you're editing your campaign, it's time to focus on the email content. Click on Edit Content to access your email draft. This is where you can change your email's text and style to match your desired aesthetic. Next, find the section of text you'd like to change. Click directly on the text, which will bring up a toolbar with various formatting options. From this toolbar, look for the TT icon representing text or typography options. Clicking on this icon will show you the current font in use. Now it's time to explore other font options. Simply click on the current font and you'll see a drop-down menu listing various fonts to choose from. Select the font that best suits your email's style and tone. By changing the font, you can significantly impact the look and feel of your email marketing, providing it with a unique touch that aligns with your brand's voice. When selecting a font, consider readability and how well it fits with your brand's image. Also remember that some fonts might look appealing but could be less readable on different devices. Always preview your email to ensure it appears as you intended on both desktop and mobile devices. With these steps completed, you've successfully changed the font in your MailerLite campaign. This simple adjustment can enhance your email's engagement, making your content more inviting and visually cohesive. By customizing the font, you're taking a significant step in creating an engaging experience for your subscribers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now it's your turn to dive in and start editing your email campaigns with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy creating with MailerLite.